Hello and welcome back. So we are here at the Golden Nugget here in Las Vegas, Nevada. This is one of my other favorite casinos to visit down here on Fremont Street. They have the world's largest public display Golden Nugget in the world here in their lobby. So we'll have to show you that, but again, we're going to start off to the right. I don't know why on this trip we're going to the right for everything, but this little waterfall infinity wall thing is pretty cool. I like that. Want one of those in my house. But anyway, lots of new gaming downtown. I'm really impressed at how much they've been revamping the downtown Fremont area with new games and stuff for people to play. Beer house, I've seen that more and more. This used to be one that I used to see out in California quite a bit, but never in Nevada. But it's here. It's good to see because it's a good game to play. So over to the left is Red Sushi. Over to the right is going to be the restrooms for you guys if you guys need to use the restrooms here in Las Vegas. A good spot to do so. The Grand, I'm not sure if that's a theater or what the heck that is, but I'm guessing it's like a theater, auditorium, something of the sort, one would assume. Golden Nugget's a huge casino, by the way, so this walkthrough video might take a little bit of time to get through. It might be a 10-minute video, so if you have time, be sure to stick around for the entire thing. If you don't, that's fine, I understand. I have the big fish tank up here in this bar. It's way sweet. I have a bunch of shops and stuff like that. Elevators to the rooms if you're staying here or up over here. This is a little bit higher end gaming that they'll usually run during the weekends. So on the weekends, this part over to the right will usually be packed and full with a bunch of people as well. So up over to the right is going to be the Gold Tower, the spa, and the grotto if you are looking at going that way. Kind of walk back towards the front of the casino and up over on the right hand side and go by the lobby. We'll have to show you the Golden Nugget, of course, because we're in the Golden Nugget Casino. That's a lot of stuff to see here. Lots of new games, so I'm excited to be downtown to do this live stream, guys. I know I've been talking about it all day here, but I'm excited to get it all started. But live stream will happen before this, so you guys will finally make sense and be like time tellers, or future time travelers, or whatever the hell you guys want to call it. So the Troy Liquor Bar is going to be upstairs, so if you go up that escalator, that'll take you up there. Well, stairs, I guess. There's no escalator. Lied to you. Yeah, it's a nice little bar up over here on the right-hand side. We have a pretty big gaming floor here. They have a little grill place, a little bite to eat. Looks like some fish tacos that they got on display there. So the Rush Lounge is going to be right over to the right. Gold Rush Lounge. And the top of the bar kind of has gold flake inlets, so it kind of looks like it's glistening gold. It looks really cool. Again, a lot of gaming going on downtown here. A lot of things open. I'll kind of walk through and see if I can find what minimums are on tables here for you guys. So I'd see blackjack, $15 minimum. Single deck blackjack going on here as well. Some craps tables. We got 3 craps tables going on. The buffet is going to be up over to the right hand side there, up those escalators. So if you're looking for the buffet here at the Golden Nugget, that's where you go to do so. 24 Karat Club is going to be where you get your Players Club card at. Kind of go up by the grotto that we kind of missed and short track before. So if you would have took the right where I was listing the grotto, the spa and places like that, that'd take you up through here. But Highland Gaming straight ahead of you here. And right up front here is going to be your hotel lobby. So I'll take you through the hotel lobby. That's where the Golden Nugget will be on display. So if you are looking for that, just ask where the lobby is and I'll kind of take you right here. But here is the pool. It is quite busy since it's the end of August here in Las Vegas. So a bunch of people out at the pool. Bar right by the pool in the lobby bar, of course. You can't have a hotel and casino in Las Vegas without the lobby bar. Here's your registration for the hotel. So if you're staying here, this is where you'll check in for your stay at the Golden Nugget here downtown. So, right here, hotel registration and stuff. So hotel registration is that way. Vic and Anthony's Steakhouse is this way. So that means the Golden Nugget is going to be off down this hallway here. So we'll take you there quick. Here it is, right over to the left-hand side. The Hand of Faith Nugget. So they have the Robbins Nugget. So the Robbins Nugget, this one was found, this little tiny one over here, was found in November 9th of 1975 in Australia. It weighed 189.7 troy ounces, which is a pretty damn big nugget. Now this is the Hand of Faith Nugget. This Golden Nugget weighs 61 pounds and 11 ounces. This nugget was found back in October of 1980 in Australia as well. It is the largest golden nugget on public display in the world. It was discovered after using a metal detector lying only 6 inches below the surface. So that's absolutely nuts that some dude found this in his backyard in Australia. So it's crazy, yeah. Weight thick bulletproof glass and everything. It's quite a sight to see. I think the estimated value on that is over $1 million or something like that. So that's kind of cool. Binion's has $1 million on display, so if you haven't seen that, you'll have to go over to Binion's and check that out. Central Shop is going to be over to the right as well. We're kind of taking you back again towards the Fremont Street here, and we'll take you through the rest of the casino and kind of walk through some of these newer machines that we got here at the Golden Nugget. Your poker room is going to be up towards the right-hand side here, so I'll show you that here in a second. Cashier's cage is going to be up over to the right, so we'll kind of stay away from that. That way we don't get in trouble or shut down here. Alright, so got a bunch of machines up over here on the left-hand side. Right as you walk in, they like pack it with machines, so it just catches your eye right away. Makes you want to definitely stop for sure. Put in some bucks, see if you can try your luck here at the Golden Nugget and make some money. But yes, I see a lot of machines that I like downtown, so this might definitely have to be where we do the walkthrough. And some more live streams and stuff down here. Forget how awesome downtown is, but it is a pretty sweet place. But anyway, guys, I think that will do it here for the Golden Nugget. We have plenty of other stuff to do today, so I will leave off here with this one. If you guys like this video, be sure to throw a thumbs up on the video today. If you want to subscribe to the channel and haven't already done so, click on the 4K vlog logo down on the bottom right-hand side. But as always, guys, be sure to support the channel by checking out the merch store or by also donating to the channel. You can do that as well. Your donation brings us more videos just like this and more videos to come. But as always, guys, I'm your host. My name's Ryan. We'll be leaving off with you here, and I will be back with you again on the next epic adventure.